Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Charmander from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw an ellipse for the jaw at the bottom of the circle. Draw a vertical line to split the head structure. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw teeth. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw curved lines on the both sides to connect ellipse and circle. Draw a new shape for the body. Draw belly. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw claws. Draw claws. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw tail. Draw fire at the tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.